Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Notnice, definitely a producer who can say this. If it wasn't for Vybz Kartel and his musical endeavors, we wouldn't have never heard of Notnice, the producer. Never. We wouldn't hear about it. Now, moving on. He make a statement about the teacher, and all the while he say some things I'm in agreement with. Recently, I see man Popcorn go at it, but that's a man Popcorn business. We say something about the teacher, viewers and subscribers, and if you agree with this, so I make on hear, and then we will continue the reason. Look and listen.
Try to generate some income off of streaming, YouTube and the other platform them. So at that them can go to no show. Sing some song and go and get some dub.
Notnice was correct with this statement. The other naysayers, some look a man in dancehall music, and yes, some of them old too. Cause Move a big man, Move should have a steady career right now. Him not for call nobody name for remain relevant. Vybz Kartel not for mention Movada, you know. I wonder if Movada noticed this. Vybz Kartel no need for say Vado, Movado, Cassava Piece, the Gully. He no need for mention none of them word there. And him song still trend. Him still dominate the charts. Now, some of these other artists, viewers and subscribers, we talk about creativity. Them are lack creativity. And that is why them have to refer to propaganda. Them have to use publicity stunts. Forget the numbers for their tracks, their projects, their EPs, their whatever they put out. We say Move Allah. When if I rent a house, buy a house, I walk on with some house. But then even I use Vybz Kartel and a situation they might try to create. Forget some notoriety for the apartment complex. I saw them go to work. I saw them go to work. If them sell a t-shirt, them call Vybz Kartel name. If them have pepper and peas, I sell. Them go call Vybz Kartel name to do it. Now, Notnice is pointing out that no matter which way dancehall music seems to variate, we're not going to say deviate. Because that means, yo, them go against what we know dancehall to be. No. You have to remember these younger artists in the dancehall music are inspired by numerous genres of music. You have some dancehall artists right now, we are listening to all gospel. Some are listening to hip hop and R&B. Some are listening to rock and roll. Some are listening to London type of music. We influenced and inspired by a diverse group of musicians and also genres of music. So with that being said, when producers, engineers and artists link up, the sound will be a fusion sound. In England right now, no matter which England artist you hear or what kind of song they do, you will hear references or statements or phrases that are 100% Jamaican. 100%. The man them start call money peas. The man them start call money peas in England. And because Jamaicans go over there, want to reach over there, so once that's Saturday, and we are prepared for the meal for Sunday, what we have to have? What we have to have? Rice and meat products sell everywhere. But what we have to have, for we are saying we are trying to create a authentic Jamaican meal for a Sunday, we need peas. We go over there to make peas famous. Them and them start calling money peas. I say it go. Now we influence is that heavy. And it's not a one-way street. We are influencing the world, and the world is also influencing Jamaicans as well. Our luxury brands, the shoes, the shirt, them, the pants, them we are talking about, them not make a Jamaica. Louboutin, Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent, them not make out here. Them not make out here. These are luxury brands from overseas. We have been influenced by the same people who we are also influencing. There's nothing wrong with it. I see nothing wrong with it. But however, you have some artists who want to go and like say them start this. You have some artists who want to go and like them start this. Them get a one trending song, one hit song, them go far and go tour on one time. But as a Notnice point out, them not show right now though. So them hungry. What them have to do call Vybz Kartel name. If I no streams and downloads, them nah go can buy a bread. Them nah go can buy a bread, viewers and subscribers. And that only speaks to the fact that the way the music is set up. Vybz Kartel is one of the only artists that is not only focusing on recording tracks, but also on the different aspects of the music. Is a reason why Vybz Kartel go out time way to help establish other young and aspiring artists. Him not necessarily need to do it. Him go out time way to establish these young artists, viewers and subscribers, for give them for them break. Because what? That helps dancehall music on a whole. One hand can't clap. So one artist dominating the genre now go do it. You're gonna need to have other artists with a medal as well. For dancehall to be, or for dancehall to receive a category in the Grammys. One dancehall album now go do it. We're gonna need at least 10 dancehall artists. We are doing extremely well. We have 10 albums that same year or the year previous to the Grammy, because Grammy is held in the February. In the month of February, they normally get the Grammy Award. So you have to have an album before February. And you have to do extremely well. And that is how them would probably have to say, what you know, we can't put these artists in the same category as the reggae artists. Because what? We already have a set amount. I think they normally go with 10 artists. So we already have 10 artists from the reggae category who are do extremely well. Whether they be Jamaican or them come from right around the world. But look, we have 10 other Billboard chart toppers from the dancehall genre who do authentic dancehall music. Because year to year we see them mix dancehall artists with reggae artists, and dancehall artists can't make it in a genre like that. Because how you gonna put up a dancehall artist against a reggae artist and then expect the dancehall artist to win in a reggae category? Me not understand. The odds are stacked against our dancehall artists. But here comes Vybz Kartel, the pioneer, the game changer. I tell you this, we don't need nobody to say negative things about the teacher. You know we need somebody to do? Inspired so much by him that they might work twice as hard. That's how we need in dancehall music at this point in time. We don't need nobody to see the teacher and feel achievements and say, no, say, yeah, because him there, why me can't rise. No, that's not nothing to do with you. What you need to do is put out authentic music, authentic to you, with catchy creative, and what the fans them can gravitate to. And soon and very soon, the genre of dancehall will elevate to that point where we can have multiple giants in the game. Because that's the thing with hip hop. Who are the king of hip hop? We can have a debate about that from now till next month. And some people still gonna tell you Tupac and Biggie. And them man dead how long now. Some man still gonna mention Tupac and Biggie. Them not gonna give them modern name. You know why? Hip hop have so much giants in the game. You have the Jay-Z. You still have the Jay-Z, him still have put out music. You have the 50 Cent, him still have put out music, even though him have big TV shows like Power, and you name them. Him involved in a whole heap of movies. We're not talking about money. We are talking about dominance in the music and we have a name. In a New York alone, we can call over 5 giants in the hip hop scene. Remember, P. Diddy them can't drop a song anytime now, you know. Him still own Bad Boy Records. Him still have him name licensed as P. Diddy, as an artist. These are giants in the game. We're not gone over California yet. We're not talking about the Tupac, the Ice Cubes. We're not start calling them names yet. We're not start talking about the Ice-T. We're not start mention names all now. That genre of over 100 giants right now. We're still alive. We're still alive in the genre right now. Still at the music. When touring resumes, you will see them on a stage near you. And these are people that put out a song since such time. But in a dancehall music, we have few artists who we can point to and say, yo, there's a giant. We know they must say Bounty Beanie, we must say Shabba. We can still say Buju if the Buju has transcended dancehall and gone over to reggae to same way. We have names. We have Brigadier Jayden, we have Super Cat. You name the names. We have names can call. We have names can call. It's not that we don't have names can call, viewers and subscribers. But we are talking about lyrical dominance right now. We are influencing another generation. Vybz Kartel generation was the generation inspired by Super Cat, Brigadier Jerry them, Bounty Beanie them. Right now, Vybz Kartel that influenced this generation. Because the subject matter has evolved. Remember, Super Cat them when they must say Wild Apache. That was the evolution of music at that point in time. Now when Vybz Kartel can say, yo, psychopathic sociopath, and that's the evolution of music right now. And we have to give credit where credit is due. Vybz Kartel definitely do it for the dancehall music and dancehall artists. I agree with Notnice 100%. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I am reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available to you. For you right here on the platform. The like icon, the share icon is also in close proximity. Use them up. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can, yes, continue reasoning from the comment section. You know the settings and the sentiments. But for those who don't, you want to move settings from we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.